Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our new episode. It will be one kind of podcast. So we will talk about we will talk about many of things about related our about our life. So it is for beginner only. So actually, also we are a beginner, so that's why we make a lot of mistake. And if you noticed about our mistake, please comment below and mention where we made a mistake, and it will be help for us from your side. So now let's jump, and day by day I will improve our this video, our topics. So, and also you can suggest us which topic will be better for beginner, which is we can discuss about this about that topic. So now, so it is one kind of intro for our podcast. So you can suggest us which topic will be better for beginner. So now there you as you can see, here is Maulana Abdul Basit here with me. So now we are together. We will discuss randomly any type of topic. So brother, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. But recently, we all know about where Iran, Israel, also United States. So that's why it's one kind of concern about the as a third country, third world country, because we left. We live 3 or 4 days this wire about this wire, but the concern is about the crucial moment for about oil and LG gas probably.
I saw in a news that Bangladesh has reserve oil like kerosene for 240 days and
Reserve.
reserve and gas like maybe 14 days uh, and others oil it's like 15 days or 20 days. That's
Hmm.
it. So when we got a crucial moment, uh,
But the problem is in our country, the big problem is syndicate. So actually, we don't know how many days will be stay this wire, but syndicate they are trying to get some benefit from this situation.
right?
So this is one kind of concern, and but probably sometime some days later where can be closed or vanish. But in our country there are a lot of reserve like oil, gas, enough reserve for 1 month or minimum
It's not
15
enough
minutes.
because uh, uh, it's only 14 days,
Minimum 14
15
days.
days, so it's not a big amount for a country. It's very small amount.
But
And
situation can be.
when a crucial situation will create, that's time uh, the bad people they can make they can try to
Get chance
get a chance for this situation.
from this issue.
And in that time, uh, that reserve n-
Not
not
enough
enough, because they will try to they will try to
benefit.
may benefit, they will try to
Hmm.
reserve it. So if they are hold it, so that's time uh, we can't the benefit of 14 days, because that time in that time they will hold it like uh, 40 days a year, 10 days one. So
Hmm.
we can suffer by that well uh, six days or 7 days.
But also there is a huge chance to fix this problem, fix the wire, this issue, because we don't know how many days it will be carry this situation. Probably
Uh,
it can be only more 5 days. It will be vanish. It possibility here.
if uh, it was not Iran, if without
Israel and
Iran, is there will any country uh, in that situation we can say that uh, about uh, end war, ending war, but uh, Iran want to it war more long, cause they are angry, and if probably they can try to like Afghan Taliban, cause they are uh, try to we saw that in previous Afghan and America war, in Afghan and America war, they turned into America in a long time war. And when a country goes another country for war for a long time, that country that country get more financial crisis, cause from a country to another country, from a country to another country, war uh, running a war, it's very difficult,
costly, very costly.
very costful. So when a big country like America, when a superpower country like America, they will involve uh, a war uh, in like a country that have uh, very powerful weapon, like uh, powerful missile, like powerful missile, powerful uh, any other weapon, powerful jet, powerful plane.
But U.S. coalition, especially America and Israel, they will want to destroy Iran's economy. So after where we will see the Iran economy will be fall for some years. Actually, U.S. want Iran, America want this create this situation because of they don't want Iran to make nuclear bomb or nuclear weapon and after and also they don't want to they don't want to Iran will be strong their military equipment
Uh,
military this type of
a war is not every time depend on power. A war is equal. Uh, a war is equal uh, technique. Uh, you did you notice, brother? Iran apply a technique like that. They will throw fake missile uh,
for
in
make some make some create some situation
situation.
for warfare warhead.
Uh, they will throw to Israel fake missile.
Hmm.
When they throw fake missile,
Need more
Israel can't Israel
define the
define the
actual missile.
actual missile.
Hmm.
So in that time, Israel
Lost their
lost their
lot of
a lot of
uh,
protection, but
system.
uh, they lost more. They provide more costful
Hmm.
protection system. So
And also I saw
that's
yesterday
why I said war is
not only
not only
power but
depend on
also
power.
yes but
It's
also technique
technique.
technique.
Depend on
But yeah, yesterday I saw a news in a news. So Israel drone, they drone or fighter plane, whatever. But they attacked. They attacked on their on Iranian weapon like missile system and also military camp. But some Iranians they draw like helicopter.
I saw that.
Fake helicopter.
Fake
So
helicopter.
it's the one kind of fake helicopter, and they throw bomb their weapon on this drawing.
It's an
Yes,
another technique.
but it's a technical, or you can say it's a technological wire also because this infrared camera, especially drone camera, is one kind of infrared and sensor camera. So when it on the sky, some of drone they cannot define which is the real object, or but they sense like this
Like this.
only this structural.
Structure.
uh, so this is one kind of, but actually, Iranian military has a lot of experience in real life, real wire field. Also, so today we heard U.S. launch the yeah, U.S. launch military. U.S. launch Kurdi as a military for how to say for field wire. Uh, so.
If America start the field war, uh, I think America don't want to involve in field war. They want to destroy Iran by air force. But
But did you know Kurdi where come from Kurdi where come from Kurdi they come from Iraq. Iraq, and they are one kind of militia, and also Turkey, don't support them. They also sometimes they also attacked with their military using by military airplane.
In this war, did you notice one thing? Russia. Why did not Russia help Iran? But Iran helped Russia against America.
No, they are
Against Ukraine war, Russia Ukraine war against Ukraine and America. Iran helped to Russia. But why Russia not helping Iran?
Yes, I understand, but I think it's natural because it's normal because this wire is these wires is not for long time. It's only 5 days, 5 days remaining, 5 days left. When you need to help someone, so you have first of all you have to observe this situation. This wire
Is Russia observing the situation, or
yes,
is Russia waiting for some things?
and also they first of all they will want to they will try to sell their military equipment, weapon also, fighter jet also. Then it's not enough. Then if Iran want to help from them, then they will decide what should them. So this is one kind of rules, but we see before time this type of wire is one kind of not equal wire. So in Bangla, we say it's one kind of অসম শক্তি যুদ্ধ. So it's like that. So that's why the big power they have to observe for some days or month. If like Ukraine and Russia, it's long time. And because of why it's one kind of equal wire because after Ukraine they have USA also, Europe countries, and on the
all NATO countries.
on the other hand, Russia also powerful country. So that's why it's equal where it was equal where. So that's why there is no doubt it will be long time this wire, but this is not equal wire.
And
But also it's coalition.
and what about the South Korea, North Korea?
North Korea, actually, there is no benefit in national wise, but there are not any big while how to say I have forgotten. So that's why this is not big deal for for power.
But I saw in a news, Kim Jong Un said the America. Uh, he said against America in America and
They actually we also say before time they also make some tension, one kind of variable tension, but end of the day there is no
chance to
there are
involve in
no chance
this war.
because the powerful country when will attack, then it can chance they will return. But no, there is no need to attack powerful because there is no gold,
What about China?
there is no gold, there is no well. So why I lose my money?
Energy and
Uh,
money.
and China and Russia, they introduce their weapon using this type of wire. So they launch they discover.
Why they are not provide to Iran their weapons?
Already deliver.
Oh, okay.
Already deliver because they also help with their satellite image to Iran, and also before where I heard as far as I heard,
I study.
as far as I know, China also give them the parts of their drone and missile and engine also, because they cannot buy from any country.
2 years ago, I read about, I study about Chinese military and military and Chinese force and Chinese uh, about Chinese war. So I study there. Uh, China has started making robot soldier uh, from a long time ago. So why they did not provide that
No.
soldier?
It's a one. It's a new evolution. So when not only China but also like Russia or USA, so they have to make a field for test their weapon, new weapon. When they innovate some new weapon, so they need to also use this or test for test purpose. So when actually we know for a long time we know the Middle East is one kind of the for where this situation is like where. So this is the opportunity for them. They can test their weapon, new weapon. And first of all, I said first time I said they try to sell their weapon, and also without money they deliver their new weapon, also training. And they observe how perform their new weapon. This is the only one kind of field. So and when it's come when will come difficult time, that time they decide to make coalition. Make coalition. So this is the fact. Uh,
Okay.
Actually, I observe this Middle East wire or international politics for long time, but recently I cannot enough time to observe this. So actually, we also know US not fair. Israel is not fair this situation.
Yeah, is there any chance to Afghan or Pakistan war? Afghan or Pakistan war, America supported, America have any chance to Iran and Israel war and Afghan and Pakistan war? Is there any connection?
Hmm.
What
Because
what type of connection? Because this is Iran and this is Afghanistan and Pakistan.
this is a border country, a neighbor country.
Uh,
So
e- e-
already Afghanistan declared for some month ago. They
for
declared
helping
we
Iran.
will help to Iran for this situation, this tension.
So
Uh,
that's why America
that's why
want
America.
to Afghan and Pakistan war
Hmm.
because
They create this
they
situation.
create this situation because if Taliban in war with Pakistan in Pakistan they can't help Iran.
This is the fact.
This is the fact, right?
And also Pakistan their citizen not accept this type of situation, but their military, their governments, they support USA. So they are actually they are bound to obey USA. But Pakistani people they not agree this wire about this wire, and also I we all know US pick up Venezuela president from their bedroom. So there is a one kind of plan to make Iran situation. Why? After talking,
Is there any connection
yes,
in
yes, yes, yes,
Venezuela and Iran
yes, yes, yes,
Israel war?
yes,
What
because
type of connection?
because they know well after war or after any this type of situation, Iran will be close this route, uh, occasion route,
Okay, okay, okay.
this route.
This route.
Yes, yes.
In
So
Dubai and Dubai and Iran
I know this name. This name is this route name
or
is
Hormuz
Hormuz Pranali.
Hormuz
Yeah,
Pranali.
Hormuz Pranali. So if we know Hormuz Pranali already has closed, has been closed. So as a result, the oil barrel cost is
Going high.
yes, going ongoing is high till now ongoing. So and they attacked also their neighbor, also their brotherhood country.
Like
They Muslim,
United
yes, yes, yes. They Muslim also,
Qatar, Bahrain,
yeah, yeah.
Kuwait.
They Muslim also. They also Muslim. So and we know some time ago Iran or Israel, uh, any country, yeah, but this is not fact. The fact is they attacked on their oil refining center in Saudi Arabia. So Iran Iran don't want Iran want to close all the oil system. This Asia or this Middle East country, because if any by chance if there are any oil country any oil facility is activate, America will or another country or Europe country will take this oil. So that's why America attacked on Venezuela and they hold this Venezuela oil facility
Oh,
for their reserve.
I got it.
So and now this time America is safe. There is no headache in this situation.
Got it. Got it.
But some Russia, China, also South Asia, and also some of European country, they will suffer this situation. Also, we
So
also us.
we can say is that if this war will going a for a long time, is any chance for uh, China and others country involved in this war? Is this war
There is
going
huge chance.
for a long time?
15 days or 15 days it can be spread around the world, especially powerful country, because because yesterday we heard news that is some Iranian missile is launched pointing Turkey. As a result, Turkey will be angry. And today, we also heard the Azerbaijan. They also launched their missile in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan also Turusk's neighbors country, and they are brotherhood country also. They like together each other. They help each other also. Turusko is when Azerbaijan and another country were that time no they Turkey don't take any time. Currently, they help Azerbaijan. So they feel one nation, two country but one nation. It's powerful brotherhood nation. So guys,
in Ramadan, that's why this is
yes, yes.
Ramadan, and it's
So
going to.
this is our first podcast, and I hope you enjoy especially beginner. It can help beginner, not intermediate or advanced level, who can practice English like us. So I hope it can be help for you. It can help you. So and already we made a lot of mistake, and my request is when you notice our mistakes, you can put this your comment below in the comment box. So it will be help. I said before, it will be help for us from your side. So keep watching our video, and we will continue this video. And please comment below which topic will be better for you, and what do you want to hear about which topic about. So now it's enough for today, I think. So we have to say goodbye, and we will talk, inshallah, we will talk politics and business and marketing also. So it's enough for today. Now it's time to get back, and see you again next time. Assalamu alaikum.